How to fix LinkedIn login problem. What's up everyone? In today's tutorial, we're going to see how you can easily fix your LinkedIn login problem. So the first thing that you need to do is check if you've entered correct email address or not. So here are a few of the things that you need to know before logging in. So let's go over why you might be having trouble first. The first one is you are entering the wrong email or password. The second one might be LinkedIn servers are down. The third one is your account is locked or restricted, or there might be a browser or app issue. So if you're trying to see if the LinkedIn servers are down, you can head over to downdetector.com and simply search for LinkedIn here and hit enter. You'll see LinkedIn right here. Just tap on it. And if there are any problems regarding the server, you can see on this website. And if there are no problems, then it might be because you're entering the wrong email or password. Make sure your login credentials are correct. So once you do that, you can check the security settings on your phone. So for that, you can just go ahead and open up your LinkedIn and its app info. Just check if there is any cache storage. If there is, just go ahead and clear it out. Now you can just tap on force stop the app to restrict any background activities. Then just simply restart your phone. Or if you're using the browser and you're having trouble on browser, do the same thing for your Chrome browser and you should be good to go. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.